As a Jeep Compass owner, it's important to understand the meaning behind the oil change light on your dashboard. This light is designed to alert you when it's time to change your vehicle's oil. Ignoring this warning can lead to serious engine damage and costly repairs down the line. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to reset the oil change light on your Jeep Compass after you change the engine oil on your vehicle. By following these simple guidelines, you can keep your Jeep Compass running smoothly for years to come. So let's go ahead now and try it for ourselves. The fastest way to reset oil life, and is usually used for all Jeep models, is by stepping on the gas pedal 3 times slowly within 10 seconds after turning the ignition to the run position. So let me guide you through the procedure. Step 1. Turn your car to the run position. Put the key in and you turn it to the position 2. If you have a vehicle with start/stop button, make sure your foot is off the brake and go ahead with pressing the start button twice. Step 2. Depress the gas pedal 3 times. Put your foot on the accelerator pedal and press it down slowly to the floor 3 times within 10 seconds. Step 3. Restart the car. Finally, turn the ignition off and start the engine to verify the indicator has been reset. If the indicator message still illuminates when you start the car, the oil change indicator system did not reset, and you will need to repeat this procedure. So that's how easy it is. Resetting the oil change light on your Jeep Compass is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Remember, regular oil changes are crucial for keeping your engine running smoothly and prolonging its life. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. We have plenty more Jeep-related content coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Jeeping!